start with the greatest name of Allah. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Sana and I'm your new tutor. I'm the student of BS4 in Zoology from Sindh University Jamshoro. Now come on the today's topic, that is adaptation of animals in relation with phenotype. Now I shared the screen of my presentation. That is adaptation of animals in relation with phenotype. First of all, we should have to know the proper definition of adaptation. The capability of an organism to change itself with the changing of an environment determines its survival. Or the another definition of adaptation is adaptation occurs when a heritable change in a phenotype increases an animal's chances of successful reproduction in a specified environment. Adaptation is defined in context of enhancing successful reproduction. Survival of a species ultimate measure the success. It is in context of a specified environment. Adaptation is a reproductive success in a variety of ways. There are three types of adaptation. These are behavioral, physiological, and morphological. First, I discuss the behavioral adaptation. These are ways a particular organism behaves to survive in its natural habitats. Example is migration of birds and animals are considered as a behavioral adaptation. Hibernation and estivation are also behavioral adaptations seen in icy polar bear, woodchucks, and bats. These are the pictures of those animals which show the behavioral adaptation. Now, come on the second point, that is physiological adaptation. It is a mechanism in organism that allow it to perform certain biochemical reactions to survive in natural habitat. Example is a snake ability to produce venom. Mammals have ability to maintain constant body temperature. Third point is morphological adaptation. This adaptation involves some parts of an organism body such as skin color and shape. This adaptation helps the organism to survive in natural habitat. Example is blubber of whale, beak of a woodpecker. Now, adaptation is seen in various ecosystems like tundra ecosystem, xerocereus, and grassland zone. If we talk about tundra ecosystem, Arctic animals display many adaptations to their environment. Examples are the Arctic polar bear have a snow white coat of fur that give insulation. It have a thick layer of fat below the skin, give heat to the body. It also hibernate in winter season for increase the lungs capacity. Their white color blend it the snow from their enemies. The Arctic hare means the Arctic rabbit. Acquire a snow white coat in the winter, protect from harsh cold environment. Adaptation in xerocoelius ecosystem. This adaptation seen in camelid have a large eyelashes, help him for keep the sand out of his eyes. It have nostrils that close to keep sand out, and it also have a hump to store water. Adaptation in grassland ecosystem. Zebra have stripes on skin. It make difficult to see when the animal doesn't move among the stem of the plant. The leaf shape of grasshopper blend it with leafy environment because to protect from their enemies or predators. The second part of my topic, that is the second thing is that phenotype is also a cause of adaptation. Question is arises here how the changes occur in phenotype. We understand it with the example of moths. Actually, moth is a very sensitive insect and it is light in weight. Before the Industrial Revolution in England, collector captured the dark and light color moths from the industrial and non-industrial area. The dark moths are collected from the industrial area and the light moths are collected from the non-industrial area. In industrial area, the trees trunk are black, so here dark moths are collected because they prevent the predatory birds. Here there is no population of white moths because they are present, so predator easily seen and eat them. In non-polluted area, collector captured the white moths. White moths survive and reproduce. There is no population of black moths. Here, The white phenotype is more frequent one in the population. The conclusion is that due to environmental effect of the phenotype of moths change black and white in color. It means that phenotype most adapted to the environment. Mimicry is also another type of adaptation. Is also adaptation seen in margin when stick is sacked. Cryptic coloration is also adaptation in which an animal blends itself to their environment. It is done for prevention from their predator. If we talk about aquatic habitat like sea mammals such as whales and seals have thick layer of fat cover the entire body except flippers and fins. These layers provide insulation also add in buoyancy. It is called blubber. Um, what is buoyancy? Actually, buoyancy it is a property of aquatic animals which maintain the or it balance those animals which are live in aquatic life. And it is a glossary. These are the words predator, what the meaning of predator depend on other animals for getting food and kill their prey, and hibernation, deep sleep in which animal body temperature drops, zero Celsius means deserted animals, blubber, fat mass of whale, cryptic coloration, and animal blend itself to the environment, phenotype means physical appearance, mimicry, one species of animal looks so much like another species, and these are the references my all presentation I collected from different books and some internet websites. Books are Miller Harley 4th edition, Campbell 8th edition, Sylvia's Matter and internet. The website is www.byju's.com and m.wikipedia.com. That is all about of my presentation. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.